What the fuck they call you?
Names are for friends, so I don't need one.
Hey guys, welcome back. Some of you guys might remember this PC. I did a part 1 video where I disassembled it, cleaned it all up. This was a socket A Duron PC, and unfortunately in the process of trying to finally make part 2 and test it all out, the motherboard stopped posting. So it's been upgraded a little bit. As you can see on the date stamp, this PC was originally manufactured in 2002, but we're going to install some parts from 3 years later. This motherboard is an Asus A8N LA, the LA denoting that it was designed for OEM systems, in this case a compact. It's a socket 939 motherboard with a Sempron 3500 Plus installed, along with 2 GB of DDR RAM. And for a GPU, we're using this Quadro, more specifically a Quadro FX3450. Looking at Tech PowerUp's database, you can see this GPU is equivalent to the GeForce 6800 GS, right down to the clock and memory speeds. Also getting installed is this Creative Lab Sound Blaster, a PCI sound card. This model is SB0100. While I was tempted to use an SSD, I installed Windows Media Center with Service Pack 3 on a 160 gig hard drive instead. So now that we've seen the hardware, let's load into Windows XP and then check out some games.
Hold up! Hey! Stop that son bitch! I don't know. Yeah, sure. Whatever you want.
That's good. It doesn't sound sincere, but it's
Help! Help me!
Yeah, baby.
Far Cry, I ran into a strange issue where I had to keep the texture quality at low. If I went anything above low, all your ground textures would turn white, almost like everything was covered in snow. So I guess if you want to play Far Cry looking like it was in a, up in Alaska or whatever, that would work out. But I wanted it to look the way it's supposed to look, so I had to keep my texture quality on low, and that was a weird issue. I don't know why that happened. Okay, so in conclusion, I was pretty sad the Socket A motherboard took a shit. I've had nothing but bad luck with them, but at least the PC isn't a total loss. To me, the case wasn't worth finding another Socket A motherboard that may or may not work when I could just upgrade it, still have a decent Windows XP retro PC that'll run many games. I do really like the Socket A hardware, but I think I'm calling it quits on those parts for now. Sadly, I have a stack of dead motherboards and a stack of dead CPUs for that platform, which really sucks because I've always had a soft spot for that platform. But on the bright side, there's plenty of cool older hardware out there to check out, so we're going to move on. So I hope you guys found this interesting, and let me know what your thoughts are about upgrading this PC here the way that I did. You guys take care, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.